Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beeman Toyota in Nashville. Just had the maintenance done on my Tundra, so I wanted to show you how to shut off the maintenance light. So had them leave it on here so that I could do it for you guys. But how to shut off the maintenance light on the new Sequoia, the new Tundra, sure several more as they come up, but shutting the maintenance light off on your newer Toyota, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So what you see how your maintenance light comes on right here. All right, so you got this little arrow that's up in the corner here. If you hit this right here, then obviously it's going to shut it off. You're going to see that this, normally you'd be in like this this eco or whatever, this informational mode. You're going to notice that that is still orange, right? So if you actually come over, it'll still show you maintenance required. So the way to do it is you're going to go and you're going to look right here, right on this gear right here. All right, once you get on the gear, you're going to go up until you get to vehicle settings. Once you're on vehicle settings, you're going to press and hold the OK button right here, and you'll see that you can actually set several things right here. You're going to come back down until you get to scheduled maintenance right here, and you're going to hit the OK button, which I just hit there. Reset data, yes, and I'm going to hit OK. Reset complete. Then you hit back, right? And then what you're going to notice, this is no longer orange, no messages, and you have reset your maintenance light on your Tundra, your Sequoia. And like I said, it'll probably be several others that'll work this way too. The Highlander should work this way as well. But that's where you will set that. Very easy to do, resetting your maintenance light just in case the shop forgot to reset it for you. So Steve Welch, Beeman Toyota. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.